Are you tired of fighting with your natural hair, but you're scared of what relaxing it might do? Or maybe you're thinking of going natural, but you're worried that it will be too much to handle. I mean, let's be real, both natural hair and relaxed hair comes with its own set of problems.
I'm so tired of natural hair. Because why do I have to do this every night?
I think my hair's falling out. I'm so scared. Bro, like... Also, why is it brown? My hair is in the... My hair is in the water.
I was taking out my braids when I came to the realization that I can't do it anymore. What is all this pain for? Who am I doing it for?
I regret relaxing my hair because it only looks like this for 5 minutes and then you have to deal with scalp literally falling apart, my hair pulling away at the speed of light. Look at this. I lost this from a single pull. Front hair being scantier than the Sahara Desert.
Y'all, I'm literally crying about my hair. Like, it gets so frustrating. If you're natural...
This was my hair 6 months ago, freshly relaxed. It had so much body. It felt amazing. It just looked so good. But I started to notice on wash days that my hair was falling out in droves. I was scared that it might be a health situation, but literally all my new growth is there. It's just the relaxed hair that's breaking off.
What is it? Haven't you done enough? The pains, the torture, the torment are not enough. Do you still want to take my life? Huh? Do you want to take my life?
I've been natural, I've been relaxed, and today we're getting real about the pros and cons that come with both. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one might be right for you, or maybe if it's time to switch it up. When it comes to natural hair, it is so versatile because you can curl it, you can braid it, you can wear it blown out in twists. You can do so many different things with it. However, it does take time to actually maintain those hairstyles. Another thing about natural hair is that styles don't last, or styles don't turn out the way you plan them. As much as you can try doing a twist out, it will not turn out the way you want it. I've tried it before. I've even tried a wash and go. That hairstyle did not turn out the way I expected or I saw other people's ones turning out. When it comes to natural hair, if it rains and your hair is straightened, I'm sorry, your hair is going to puff up. That's just the way it is with natural hair. So when it comes to styling, it's just a trial and error, and then you just have to see what works for you and what doesn't. With relaxed hair, on the other hand, you can also curl it, straighten it, and all those stuff. But the one thing I love about relaxed hair is that the style lasts. If you slick your hair back, it's gonna stay in place the whole day. Try doing that with natural hair and you're gonna see what's gonna happen. But I'm sure it also has to do with the products that you use, because if you use a strong holding gel, then definitely you can achieve a slick look with your natural hair as well. I must say, relaxed hair blends so well with straight weaves or wigs, because you don't even have to flat iron it. But I mean, a lot of people still do. But because your hair is already straight, it just blends in naturally. When it comes to manageability, relaxed hair takes this one, because the moment you get your hair relaxed, you can just take the comb through it, and the comb will go through. Try doing that with natural hair and you'll see the tears coming out. With natural hair, the first thing you have to do is detangle your hair, and then you have to make sure that you don't detangle your hair when it's dry, because that's even worse, because your hair is going to break off. So you have to first moisturize your hair, then you take the comb and comb through it. And now you don't just use any comb when it comes to natural hair. You cannot use that same comb that you use or the same brush that you use on your relaxed hair. You actually have to take a wide tooth comb, and then you can comb through your hair. If we look at which hair type is more healthier, I would say natural hair, because you're not applying any chemicals to it. However, if you leave your hair dry and neglected, obviously it's bound to break. So with relaxers, you have to use chemicals to relax your hair. I mean, that's just what relaxed hair is about. But at the same time, those chemicals can actually burn your scalp if the hairstylist doesn't wash it properly. I remember when I went to the salon at some point, the stylist put relaxer on my hair and she relaxed my hair fine. She washed it and everything. but I still felt a burning sensation and I didn't know what was happening. So she blow dried it, moisturized it, all of those things. I went home and I was still feeling that burning sensation. And then when I looked in the mirror, I saw that my back hair was completely gone. Like the hair was short. It was horrible and I had to cut my hair because I didn't have a choice. It looked so bad. And that's the worst part about relaxing your hair, the damage that comes with it, because when you relax your hair, it becomes weak. When you relax it, it breaks much more easier than when you have natural hair. Now let's look at appearance. First of all, relaxed hair is very sleek, straight. It's very put together and polished. And then we look at natural hair. It's very voluminous. It screams attention just when you walk into the room. If you look at natural and relaxed hair, the one that has more volume is natural hair. The one that is thinner is relaxed hair. So if you are someone that loves big hair, natural is your girl. If you are someone that loves slick hair, relaxed is your girl. But I can tell you, with natural hair, you can still get that slick look just by straightening it or doing something to it without having any chemicals to it. And with relaxed hair, you can't really get that much volume. You can if you stop relaxing your hair for some time and you let your new growth come out, but that's also going to be painful when you comb it or style it. So just don't risk that because it is going to break off your hair. With relaxed hair, I've also seen a lot of people that braided their hair and lost their hairline while their hair was relaxed. But you can also lose your hairline with natural hair, but your hair is more prone to breakage when you relax it and do braids and all of that. That's why a stylist will always tell you, once you get your hair relaxed, you have to wait for about 2 or 3 weeks before you actually get your hair braided. You know what nobody talks about? The cost of having natural and relaxed hair. I mean, first of all, with natural hair, the products can be so expensive because you need a specific product to detangle your hair, to wash your hair, to curl your hair, to moisturize your hair, to soften your hair. Like, there's so many things that you need when it comes to natural hair. As much as natural hair products can be expensive, you can also try doing DIYs and just see what's out there, see what works for you. But you can also try out the different products, even though they are not for natural hair. Just try it out and then maybe it will work for your hair, maybe it won't. You don't have to spend a lot on those products that are specifically designed for natural hair. And let's talk about relaxed hair. Relaxed hair, you don't just relax once and then you're done. No. Your hair needs to be touched up once every 2 or 3 months. That's just how it is. So as much as you can say, yeah, relaxed hair doesn't cost that much, it does cost when you go to the salon and get your hair touched up. Or even if you do it at home, I mean, you're still buying the relaxer, so it still costs something. But I think it's better to relax your hair at a salon or with a professional. But if you can do it yourself, do it. Because when it comes to these relaxers, if you make one mistake, you are going to lose a lot of hair. Even if the stylist does something and leaves the relaxer on for some time or beyond the time that it's supposed to be on your hair, you will get hair breakage. With the relaxers, it's not guaranteed that your hair is going to turn out good or turn out healthier when you do. So it's so important to just be cautious when you relax your hair or when someone else relaxes your hair. The honest truth is, having relaxed or natural hair isn't what destroys it. What destroys your hair is when you start to neglect it, is when you start to compare your hair to somebody else's. It's when you're ashamed of your hair. We've been taught that straight hair is professional and natural hair is too much. But who made those rules? There is no one size fits all when it comes to how you wear your hair. Because some people may wear it twist out, others braids, wigs. Some people may wear it relaxed or natural. And it's all okay. There are women who are growing and thriving with their hair being relaxed. There are women who are growing and thriving with their hair being natural. And it's all about how you take care of your hair. It has nothing to do with your hair texture. Whether you have relaxed or natural hair, if you don't take care of it, it's bound to get damaged. So before you decide whether you want to go natural or relaxed, just ask yourself these questions. Do you enjoy styling your hair natural? Are you choosing relaxed hair because it's convenient or because you're insecure? And will it make you feel beautiful? Let me know in the comments down below whether you thought of going natural or going relaxed, and why are you not doing it, or why are you going ahead with it? And let's have a conversation.